Good morning, everybody. I got a great video for you today. We got a 2009 Ford Fusion. It's got a code P0351. There's a problem with the cylinder number 1, and it could be with the driver for the computer, for the coil driver, or it could be the coil or low compression or a couple other things. And it gives you a little chart to follow. If you have fuse 48 blown, then you can have a wiring problem, a harness problem. But what I figured out, since the fuse 48 was good, I started going down the procedure. I had the customer come bring me one of his old coils, a known good coil. So what we did is I was able to reach back to cylinder number 1, and I was able to plug another coil into the wiring loom and put a little ground on it here, and then start the engine. So we'll do that. So we can see there's no spark at all. So they're getting a signal to that. There's no signal coming to fire that coil. So, and of course some of you will say, how can you prove that's a valid test? Well, if we take that same coil off of here that you just watched, and we put it on a different cylinder and it has spark, that makes it a valid test, doesn't it? So we'll take this off and we're going to plug it in over here, a number 4 cylinder, and we got the same setup that we had before. Okay, you want to start it up, Howard? And so you can see there we have a nice spark. Okay, you can shut it off. So that's a good way to test things. We're testing it dynamically under a load, and we're verifying it's a good test because it does spark on another cylinder. So in these particular cars, when the ignition coils go bad, they take out the coil drivers in the computer. So we had the computer fixed, but there's obviously still a problem because number 1 coil driver is not firing from the computer. The reason we know the wiring's good is fuse 48 will blow if there's a wiring problem in the harness for the coils. Okay, thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day. Now you know a way to check these things out to do it without pulling the manifold off. As long as your hand's skinny enough to get back there and unplug the connector, you can plug a test coil on if you have a similar problem on any Ford product like this. Thank you.